Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on the topic understanding elementary shape, and you must be knowing that we are on exercise 5.9. Okay, and as you all know that 5.9 is the topic which is related to 3D shapes. And yesterday we have also discussed about that what is 3D shape actually. So let us first complete today 5.9 exercise. I want you all to please do this exercise question number 1 in the book itself right now, and after that you can do it fair also after the class. Fine, because it will take only 5 minutes to have this question on your fair copy. So let's try question number 1 first. I want you all to please come on your video mode also who are not in video mode right now. Students, please come on your video mode, beta. Thank you very much now who are doing the video on right now. Now let's understand question number 1. Question number 1 says that you have to match the following. But do one thing, in your copy, you do that questions in front of that answer. Do not match it. Fine? Like, suppose I am writing it here cone. So you just draw the cone here. Do not match it. Fine? Yesterday, this exercise was done in class 6th A, but I would request if you have not completed yesterday, complete it right now only. Question number 2, sphere. Sphere like laddu, you can have watermelon, you can have orange. These all the shapes are of sphere only, beta. After sphere, you have cylinder. Cylinder, you must have seen the can of ghee, the can of jam. These all are called cylinder shape only, like the glass of water. These all are cylinders. Then you have a cuboid. Cuboid. Cuboid, you must be remembering the matchstick box, the box of shoe, the box of toothpaste. These all the examples, and book also. Chalk box, these all are the examples of cuboid only. Remember, cuboid has all the faces on the form of rectangular. Now move on to the next one, the last one, that is pyramid. Now remember, pyramid is a figure which have 4 faces in total, beta. This is pyramid. Now done it. This was all about question number 1. Now we will discuss what is question number 2. Students, in this question, it is telling you have to write 2 more examples of each shape. So what you do is, like we have done it cone, in front of cone, we have now figure also of the cone. Now what you do, write down 2 examples of cone here. Like you can have it ice cream cone. And another one, ice cream cone, and you can have birthday cap. Fine. The same way, you write it down in front of every term. What is the next example of it? For example, when you talk about sphere, I have just given you the example. Sphere, you can have a laddu also. And also you can have the example of your earth. You can have orange also. These all are the shapes of cricket ball. Yes, absolutely. Cricket ball also you can have. These all example of sphere only, beta. Now move on to the third one, cylinder. I told you the example of cylinder just now. Jam can. Okay, you are knowing जिसमें jam आता है, that is in the shape of cylinder only. You have gas cylinder also at home. That is also the shape of cylinder only. You can have another example like chalk. The chalk by which I am writing, that is also the perfect shape of cylinder only. Now move on to, you can have it bottle as well. Yes, absolutely. You can have the bottle also. Correct. Move on to the cuboid box. The cuboidal one can be, cuboid will be matchstick box, matchbox, you can matchstick box. You can have shoe box. Fine. Now what about pyramid? Pyramid ke liye you can, what example will you write it down in a pyramid? Can you please tell me faster? Yes, Gauri, you are right, beta. For pyramid, you can have the example top of the temple. You can have samosa as well. You can also have the example like that the Giza pyramid, the Egypt pyramid. These are all practical examples of pyramid only. So you can have any example of it. Some of the houses also we have at the top like this only. But if you don't want to take the example of houses, you can simply take the example of temples, because in Varanasi you are knowing there are so many temples, you know, and every temple is not having this kind of shape, but there are so many temples which have this shape on the top of them. Okay, so remember this top of the temple is known as pyramid only. Fine. So this was all about question number 1. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2 says that you have to tell that what shape it is. Fine. So first of all, your instrument box, the question number telling you have to tell what is the shape is instrument box it is. Okay, your instrument box is of which shape? So you must be agreeing with me that most of you have your instrument box as a cuboid box. There can be some of the student who will be having the geometry box as a like another box. They will have a cylinder box also, but most of you will be having the cuboidal box only. So that is why in total I am writing cuboid. Now next one is a brick. Brick means you are knowing our home, our walls are made up from bricks only, and I think सभी लोगों ने bricks को देखा होगा. The bricks is in shape of cuboid only, beta. Fine. Please keep on writing your answer in the chat box. I am reading it out. Everybody's answer, beta. Question number 3, matchbox. The matchsticks box. Abhi just now we have discussed. What do you say? Which shape is the matchbox, beta? Very good. It's a cuboid one. True. Now, after matchbox, can you please tell me what road roller is? Road roller, आपने देखा होगा where the roads are constructed. There you have seen a very big vehicle which is having like in front of the portion have a very big cylinder which is rolling on the road. You know that is called road roller. And what is the work of road roller? Road roller levels the road. Okay, and that is always in the shape of cylinder. Fine. What is the spelling of cylinder? Do not write the wrong spelling, beta. CYLINDER. Cylinder. Okay. So remember, cylinder is the shape of road roller. Now move on to the last one, a sweet laddu. I think this also I have taught you right now. It's the shape of sphere. It's the shape of sphere, beta. Yes. So I hope we have completed everything which was related to 5.9. Fine. I hope if it is clear to you, that is very fine. And I want to teach you little bit about pyramid now. Because as I have promised, after completing this, we will be discussing about pyramid now. I'm going to rub this now. 5.9 is completed, beta. Now, what is pyramid actually? Beta, always remember, pyramid is a 3D shape. And always remember, pyramid का नाम जो होता है बेटा वो उसके बेस पे डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है? Remember, pyramid can be have so many bases now. It can have triangle base, it can have square base, it can have rectangular base, it can have a pentagon base, it can have hexagon as base, it can have heptagon as base, it can have octagon as base, it can have even nonagon as base, it can have decagon as base, और many bases can be also there जो आपने शायद अभी सुने नहीं है वो भी bases हो सकते हैं. So remember पिरामिड का जो नाम होता है बेटा वो उसके बेस के कारण आता है. ठीक है, लाइक अगर किसी भी पिरामिड का बेस अगर ट्रायंगल है तो वी कॉल इट ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड. ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड. And one more thing which I want to tell you, in a pyramid, how to draw the figure of pyramid. Look at here. If it is a triangular pyramid, सबसे पहले you draw a triangle because this is the base. All of you watch it, how easy the diagram is. If it is a triangular pyramid, first of all you draw a triangle. ठीक है? Now just point out all the corners, 1, 2 and 3. Remember, in pyramid, all the faces are triangles only, except the base. अगर बेस आपका ट्रायंगल है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग फेसेस होंगी. अभी हम ट्रायंगल की बात कर रहे हैं तो फेसेस विल बी ऑल ट्रायंगुलर. नाउ लुक एट हियर. सबसे पहले टेक दिस वन स्ट्रेट लाइन, join with this and now join with this. This is triangular pyramid, you know. ठीक है, remember triangular pyramid is very easy to construct. Remember this. And not only triangular pyramid, all the pyramids are very easy to draw. This is triangular pyramid. How many corners it has? 1, 2, 3 at a base and 1 is at the top. So total 4 corners it has. Matlab 4 vertices. Fine. Now if someone will ask you how many faces it has, look at here. 1 was base, 1 was base and another 3 were here in front of the side में. ये 3 आपने अभी ड्रॉ किए और एक नीचे हो गई, तो मतलब टोटल 4 faces. Fine. Now if somebody asks you how many edges, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है. Now remember, this was all about triangular pyramid. Now let me tell you example how can we draw a square pyramid. Remember, square pyramid means when you have a base as square. Square pyramid when you have a base as square, तो हम उसको बोलेंगे square pyramid बेटा. Now see how easy it is to draw a square pyramid. Look at here. All of you, first you draw a square. ठीक है? This is a square, everybody of us know. Then put a corner at the top. ठीक है, सबसे पहले एक डॉट आपने पुट कर दी टॉप में because you are knowing that at the top you will have all the vertex, है ना, ऊपर जा रही होंगी टॉप से. Now look at here, join all. 1, all the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 you have joined, 2 you have joined, 3 you have joined, 4 you have joined. This is all square pyramid. Completed. है ना? It is easy, no? You must be thinking, ma'am, it is very easy, you know. Now I want you all to please, all of you, draw a pentagonal pyramid on your copy and show to me. This is all about square pyramid. I want a pentagonal pyramid, how to draw on your fair copy, and I want to see that figure on your copy right now. Take 1 minute of time and tell me how to draw a pentagonal pyramid. Students, drawing any kind of pyramid is very easy. Right now I am telling you how to draw a pentagonal pyramid. First of all, draw a pentagon. So let's draw now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is a pentagon. I have drawn the pentagon now. After drawing the pentagon, just put a dot up side, ऊपर बेटा. आप लोग नीचे से ही join कर दे रहे हो. Now join the point at the top. Now you join all the vertices from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, this is our pentagonal pyramid. Fine. You have to join all the faces from that only. This is all about a pentagonal pyramid. Fine. So remember, a pentagonal pyramid has the bottom as pentagon only. Fine. So we have completed our 5.9 completely. And this chapter is also completed, beta. Okay? This chapter is completed now.